Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about multi-factor evaluation approach adopted in conjoint analysis. We'll be considering the similar example what we took for two-factor approach, the same thing refrigerator. Only thing is here instead of two factors, I had considered three different factors. So the new factor what is being introduced compared to two-factor approach is the number of doors. Capacity and price was there in the two-factor approach also. The only new addition is number of doors. Either it can have one door in the refrigerator or two doors in the refrigerator. So you have, if you consider this first factor has got three levels. The second factor has got two levels because it has got one or two doors. Third factor has got the pricing 9,000, 10,000, 12,000 means it is also having three levels like your first factor. Means the number of profiles which are possible, total number of profiles, number of product profiles possible will be 3 into 2 into 3 means 24 profiles are possible. One of the profiles, sample profile may be like, I'm not saying any specific number, but if you have 24 profiles, then you can number it. So here, this probably may be profile number 1. I may consider capacity as 200 liters, number of doors as 1, pricing as 10,000. So you create this profile and ask the respondent to rate it based on a scale of 0 to 9. Likewise, you may think about preparing all the 24 profiles, and in case if you want to reduce the number of profiles, you may think about eliminating some of the profiles which may not be of the interest to any respondent. Those things you may eliminate. For example, a profile like 180 liters means low capacity, single door, 180 liters, single door, and the price is very expensive, that is 12,000, may not be preferred by a respondent. So that profile you may think about eliminating it so that the respondents will have lesser number of profiles to rate it. So ask them to rate by giving all the profiles in the scale of 0 to 9. So let them rate it. Based on their rating, you can think about which is the most, let us say, suppose if you are doing it with 25 respondents, from the 25 respondents rating, you may be able to come out with a conclusion, which is the most preferred product profile that you can think about freezing for your product to be launched in the market. Basically, this type of analysis or evaluation is done before launching a new product or something like that, right? So what are the steps in multi-factor evaluation approach? Identify all the factors for the product. If there are too many, then you may approach experts for their opinion, and based on their opinion, you can eliminate some of the factors. Then for each factor, find out what are all the levels which are possible for the step 1. And then depending on the factors, number of factors, suppose if there are n factors like L1, L2, and so on up to L1, Ln, then the total number of profiles will be L1 into L2 into Ln. That many profiles are possible. So, I mean, n factors having levels L1 and L2. I already explained here. These are the levels. Let us say this is L1, this is L2, this is L3, which means we multiplied, no, 24. Same only is explained here, L1 into L2 into, and so on up to Ln. So, you may think about what type of scaling technique you are going to adopt. If you are using a rating scale, then it will be very similar to whatever example we spoke about. If it is ranking, then against those ranks, you may have to allocate some scores. If it is rating, directly you can consider those rating. Respondents, as usual, like your two-factor approach, here also you'll be using a sampling technique to choose the respondents. Request each of the respondent to give the rating for all the product profiles, whatever you are giving. So based on the rating being awarded by the respondents, what is the total score secured by each profile you may identify. Then tabulate all those results in one single table and then choose that particular profile which has got the highest score. That will be the most preferred profile before you launch any new product or even before you design a new product. So that will be the multi-factor evaluation approach. In case if you find this video to be useful, I request you to please like, share it to your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Please take care.